Your front door does more than welcome guests. It makes a statement about your home's style and sets the tone for what's inside. In Middleton, where neighborhoods feature a mix of charming traditional homes, rustic farmhouses, and modern builds, your front door is a key part of your property's curb appeal. If your door looks outdated, worn, or simply doesn't match your home's character, a front door replacement can dramatically enhance its appearance while adding long-term value. Here are some front door replacement ideas tailored to Middleton homes. Classic panel doors for traditional charm. Many homes in Middleton reflect timeless architecture with symmetrical layouts and welcoming porches. 6-panel or 4-panel designs, a staple for colonial and traditional homes. Solid wood or wood look finishes bring warmth and elegance. Decorative hardware. Brass or bronze handles, knockers, and hinges create a polished look. Replacing an old door with a paneled classic instantly revives traditional curb appeal. Rustic and farmhouse-inspired designs. Farmhouse-style homes are a popular choice in Middleton, and the right door can highlight their cozy, rustic feel. Dutch doors. Split horizontally for function and charm, perfect for letting in fresh air. Natural wood stains. Showcase knots and grains to emphasize rustic appeal. Simple glass panels. Provide light without taking away from the farmhouse aesthetic. These designs give your home a warm, welcoming personality. Modern styles for contemporary homes. For newer homes with clean lines and updated exteriors, a modern door makes the perfect focal point. Sleek fiberglass or steel designs offer durability with minimalist elegance. Horizontal glass inserts provide light while maintaining privacy. Bold colors. Charcoal gray, black, or even bright red can create a dramatic statement. Modern doors bring a touch of sophistication while matching today's design trends. Bright colors to add personality. Sometimes, all your curb appeal needs is a pop of color. Bold reds, blues, or yellows create a cheerful entryway that stands out. Earthy tones like sage or terracotta blend beautifully with Middleton's natural surroundings. Classic black or white, timeless options that fit any style. A colorful front door can elevate the entire look of your home without a major renovation. Glass and decorative accents. Glass panels and decorative details can turn an ordinary door into a statement piece. Frosted or stained glass adds beauty while maintaining privacy. Wrought iron detailing, perfect for a craftsman or Mediterranean touch. Transoms and sidelights. Extra glass around the door enhances light and grandeur. These features make your front entryway feel more inviting and stylish. Energy-efficient and durable options. While style is important, functionality matters too, especially in Middleton's changing seasons. Fiberglass doors. Resist warping and require little maintenance. Steel doors. Highly durable and energy efficient. Insulated cores and weather stripping. Keep your home comfortable year-round. A beautiful new front door should also provide lasting performance. Final thoughts for Middleton homeowners. Replacing your front door is one of the most effective ways to boost curb appeal. Whether you prefer the timeless look of a paneled door, the rustic charm of farmhouse styles, or the bold flair of modern designs, there's a perfect option to match your home's architecture and personality. By combining beauty, durability, and energy efficiency, a new front door not only enhances your home's first impression but also improves comfort and adds value. If your current door feels outdated or worn, now is the ideal time to explore front door replacement ideas that will make your Middleton home shine.